Welcome to LATIF animations. Today I will show you how to use a shrink wrap modifier to add any text into the object surface. It's a wrapping technique. So what is the process? You need to go to the add mode, select object, add modifier, and then click on shrink wrap. Now go to select tool button and then select the object. Now you can adjust the offset points. It's need to be adjust the surface where you add to set the surface. It's going to point something. It's good for me 0.2, and then this is very good. Now you can first you need to go to apply that and then go to select another object. If you add more objects, then go to same process, shrink wrap and select the object, then directly type the offset value 0.2. Now repeat the process. All objects you want to be add to the any surface, top of surface object. So I'm going to speed up the process. First you need to something is very different. Now some cases are not fixing on the same point, but it works when offset works 0.22. I am working 0.22. Now you can see this all objects on the top of surface. It still very good, nice looking. If you like my videos, please subscribe with LATIF animations. If you want this project file, link in the description.